Hello there. In this video, we are diving into GotBackup, a new tool that makes sure you never lose your digital memories again. It's a cloud software solution designed to automatically protect you and up to 5 family members on unlimited devices. With GotBackup, you are not just securing your data, you are also stepping into a business opportunity that can create a long-term, residual income stream for yourself. So why would anyone want an app like GotBackup? Well, it comes down to the critical importance of data security in today's digital age. With more of our life's memories and essential files stored online, protecting this data is vital. Losing crucial documents or cherished photos due to a hard drive failure or accidental deletion can be devastating. Cloud backup solutions like GotBackup provide peace of mind by ensuring your data is safe.
Tired of paying a ridiculous amount of money for a home-based business opportunity just so that your upline maximizes their commissions? Not with GotBackup. It's a global opportunity with a product that everyone needs at a price point that anyone can afford. You are just steps away from making a full-time income with this amazing opportunity. But first, let me ask you a question. Do you know anyone with a computer, smartphone, or tablet? How about someone who's had a hard drive fail, or who's lost irreplaceable documents, photos, music, or videos? If you do, then the GotBackup opportunity is for you.
In fact, I've earned over $300,000 with you in just the last few months.
We all should back up our devices, but how many of us actually do? GotBackup is the first fully automated, set and forget secure cloud storage service that pays you residual income for life every time you or your downline makes a sale. You and your team will get 50% residual for life on a consumer-based product that anyone with a computer, tablet, or smartphone needs. Concerned about marketing? Don't be. When you become a GotBackup member, you'll find a great marketing package to help you promote this data-saving system. The video you're currently watching is a part of our powerful Powerline-driven marketing system. By entering your name and email, you can reserve a free temporary position in our company, which we will hold for you and place you in the Powerline. Every other person that joins the Powerline after you will fall directly under you in your Powerline. Now, every Wednesday night is the deadline to secure your position in our matrix by becoming a member of GotBackup for just $9.97 per month. From your Powerline on Wednesday night, you will be auto-placed in the 2x Forced matrix. By becoming a paid member, you leapfrog and go above all paid members who upgraded before you in your Powerline. This secures you in our matrix at the highest available position. Those that do not upgrade by Wednesday remain in the Powerline, losing all the paid members in the Powerline below them because paid members are moved into the matrix every Wednesday night. Don't want to miss out? The faster you upgrade, the better position you will secure in the matrix. The faster you upgrade, the more potential you have to generate an income with other upgraded members falling below you in the matrix from the Powerline. As a member, you will get instant access to the GotBackup software to protect and back up your and your family members' data. The sooner you secure your position, the higher you will be placed in the matrix. To learn more, fill out the form on the right and discover why GotBackup is considered the most exciting company in the industry. Here's how you get paid. First, you can have an unlimited amount of GotBackup direct referrals, which we call your front line. Then the certified GotBackup licensed resellers in your front line can have their own direct referrals, and so can they. And so can they, passing income back to you. We call this your pay line. At GotBackup, your front line and pay line give you unlimited width and depth. Now let's do the math on how this amazing compensation plan can quickly generate some serious residual income. Let's say you just started, and in your first month you make $1,000 in direct referrals. Awesome! You keep 100% of that. Currently in your front line is Sarah, and she also made $1,000 from direct referrals this month. Ray, who is her direct referral and therefore in your pay line, has done the same. Now that we know the total of what you, Sarah, and Ray have each made this month, let's look at what this means to you and how much more additional income you can make. Now remember, this month Ray made a total of $1,000. Which means that Sarah receives a matching check equal to 25% of what Ray made. So Sarah makes $250 in addition to the $1,000 she made this month. That's a total of $1,250 for Sarah. Sarah rocks! But it gets even better now. Because Sarah made $1,250, you received a matching check equal to 25% of what Sarah made. That's an additional $312.50 of residual income on top of the $1,000 you already made, giving you a grand total of $1,312.50 that you made in just 1 month. You rock more than Sarah. Sorry, Sarah. Simply put, that's 100% of what you made, or $1,000. 25% of what Sarah earned for $250 plus 25% of what Sarah earned from Ray, which was $62.50. Are you starting to see the opportunity?
In fact, I've earned over $300,000 with you in just the last few months.
Let us go deeper into how it works. GotBackup offers an easy-to-use interface that instantly secures your digital assets. The cloud-based system ensures that you can access your data anytime, from anywhere, which is perfect for people constantly on the move. Plus, the platform is built to handle data protection without compromising on speed or efficiency. GotBackup also comes with a free 7-day trial. This means you can explore the tool, understand its capabilities, and see how it fits into your lifestyle without any risk. After the trial, a subscription allows you to continue securing your data and capitalizing on the business opportunity. The service's affordability is a major plus, ensuring it's accessible to anyone. Okay, so that is it. Bottom line, if you want a reliable way to protect your data and potentially earn income, GotBackup is the tool for you. Get started now by clicking the link below this video